Yesterday, in the United States, in several Midwest states, there was up to 100 or more devastating tornadoes, and people lost their lives. This is it. It is 2012 now. It is starting to happen. Mother Earth and existence as a whole is saying to us, human beings, stop. Stop how you are existing and build a new world based on equality and oneness. At Destiny, this is what we are busy doing. We are a group of people online who are exploring and exposing the truth of what has been occurring and is occurring in our world. We are standing with each other. Please join us. What it takes is 1 + 1. And we will eventually build a large enough platform to make the political changes that are necessary for us all to live a dignified life, not just some. Please investigate destiny.org to find out the truth of what is occurring in our world. It will continue, and we will continue until it is done. Please also investigate equalmoney.org.